SOLIDWORKS, it can be helpful to split your configurations into multiple parts. This is primarily used to get a better overview of the part. But it can also help the performance as less configurations lessens the total rebuild time. To do this, go to the Configuration tab and select Save Configurations. You will now be able to select the configurations you want to be in the new part. Select the configurations needed and press Save Selected and give the file a name. Saving the configuration does not delete it from the original part. You will need to do this manually. The new part is not referenced to the original part in any way. Unlike Save As, this does not replace any entities in an already open assembly. The new part must be inserted manually. And changes made to the original part does not affect the new part. If you want to be able to update a part from another part, watch my next video.